Well, outdoor seating in Manhattan Beach is closing tonight. A city loophole has kept it open despite the ban on outdoor dining. NBC4's Michelle Valles live in Manhattan Beach this morning with more on why the city has made this decision. Good morning, Michelle.
Good morning. Because of the increase, the double in cases in COVID and also the new strain that's hitting California, this is the last morning. The legendary places like Uncle Bill's will be able to have customers sitting outdoor. They've gone through this outdoor banning by using a loophole that allows customers, like you see right here, to sit in public seating. Well, now, effective tonight at 10, all public seating will be removed. Outdoor seating spaces on public property will be closed. So this is the last morning that this restaurant will be able to use that loophole. And the owner tells me he's just disappointed. They're going to go back to where they were in April with takeout only, saying that takeout doesn't really work for a lot of breakfast joints. So they're really hit hard in the pocketbook. But this, as a new strain has been found in California, and those cases has nearly doubled in Manhattan Beach since November. So that's the latest. We'll be talking to customers and the owner and have much more on the news later on today on our newscast. That's the latest in Manhattan Beach. Michelle Valles for Today in LA Weekend. Mac, back to you.